All right, peeps. Here we got it. This beautiful pork loin. I think we're going to inject it with something. Add a little bit more steak flavor in that bad boy. So stay tuned. We're going to see what we can do.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement. And
all right, peeps. I think some Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar. Look at that. My new injector. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. Let's watch how this thing works. Asmoke Grill. We've got it set at like 300 for that bad boy right there. And the two ladies are waiting patiently, doing their girly thing. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know. It scares me. So, pork butt, 8 smoke. Check back in a few hours. I promise you, this stuff's gonna be wild, crazy. Hickory and black. Brown sugar injected. Look at it just oozing out. But we're gonna get this set down here. I say here in about an hour. That's gonna be fire! So one of the things I do love about the Asmoke Grill is the fact that it's got this meat thermometer that you plug right in. Right there, you plug that right there. But then you take it and you totally insert it all deep inside there. But the nice thing about this is that the fact that if you come around here, oh camera person, love of my life, right here above will actually give you the temperature of the meat. So a lot of times instead of opening it and losing the heat, you can sit there and look right there and it'll tell you exactly what the temperature is. So Asmoke, good call on that bad boy. So check out later, it's gonna be delish!
People are hungry. What are you doing?
I know, I'm trying to get all my stuff together, figure out what I'm gonna do. Is this pork loin ready? Was my knife sharp enough? You know, that whole thing. So, let's check it out. Let's find out what's cracking. Let's see what's happening. Is it cooked? Is it not cooked? Is it gonna be delicious? We don't know, but let's find out. Inquiring minds have questioned, is this even worth it? Why are they even here? We're not sure if this food's gonna be worth it, that we actually stuck around here in Kansas This is how you keep people in Kansas.
25 minutes later, we finally get to see the food.
Boom! Look at that bad boy. Everything just oozy, scoozy, baloozy out of there. Look at that juice coming out of there. Oh, it's so juicy.
Okay, that was a little creepy.
Oh, snaps. Oh. Now you gotta turn it down, let it do its thing. All right, after it's been sitting for a minute. Oh, look at that juiciness. Man, stay tuned, man. We're gonna chop this up, throw a meal together, see what's cracking. Not gonna wanna miss this, I promise you.
Scrumdiddlyumptious. It's a foodgasm. It's a foodgasm.
No? Honest opinion, what is your judgment upon the pork loin that just came off the Asmoke Grill? You heard it from the masterful, great and powerful Angie. Oh my God. It got that slight smoke flavor. Got a good little smoke ring on it. Got that sweet baby raised hickory smoke in the middle from the injection. It's all juicy. Man, Asmoke killed it again, bro. So, random strangers have returned. I don't know where these two you just friggin' came in from flipping Utah.
No, we came in from Missouri.
They came in from Missouri, but they're out of Utah. Decided to come through here and get some, but enjoying the pork loins, taters, pasta, and how did you put that?
It's a foodgasm.
There we go.
It's awesome. Awesome.
In this session.
Okay, so where is this video going?
Of K&R, cooking with K&R, hanging with ouRVision Nomadic Living. I gotta get my finger out of the way. Stupid place for a camera on a selfie mode.
Your finger's in the way.
I hate it when my finger's in the way.
Wow.
But on this session of Foodgasm Cooking with K&R, I'd say we got a thumbs up. We smoked another one on the Asmoke. Pork loin killed it. Thank you guys, appreciate you. Stick around, there'll be more, promise you.